Who's the bot? Red's the bot. Okay, so I have inactive AI, which means the red bot's going to be just a dead weight. Yeah, so we got portals, we got fog, we got blizzards, but we're playing fixed caps. Okay? Some wacky settings. This corner looks OP as shit. Where's the 1-point guard here? It's that. I can block this entire pocket from here. Oh, baby. You know I'm gonna. Yeah, black's inside of me. So my game hinges on my ability to predict how black does, or I pick a different spot. What if I pick this instead? Blizzards are always fucked on trigons, man. Black is just hollowing out this pocket. I need to see what's here. And I guess no better way to do that than to do it over 2 turns, so. Purple quit? Oh. Purple quit. That means he neutrals out as well. I see. Black's gonna win from that. Black decides to interrupt magenta. Love it. Let's see if I can snag this bonus in a reasonable amount of time. And a reasonable amount of time being now. Y'all know me. I'm a greedy motherfucker. You think Black saw it? Black comes in here and breaks. We have 2 neutral players. We have a red bot, and we have a purple player who has botted. Blue's gonna attack me? Okay. What's in that for blue, though? He left. He just wanted to move through me. Okay. That's okay. No retaliation necessary. Everyone's fighting over this tiny bonus. They don't realize I already have a big bonus. They won't know I have this until I take it. Amazingly, I still have this territory. Loses 8. Loses 8 off his cap. Oh, shit. All right. Very interesting. Are the portals fun? Yeah, the portals are way cooler than I thought they'd be. They're super interesting. So I played a fixed caps game earlier without putting a cap on a portal. Now I did. So I capped off a portal, black capped off a portal. There are, how many on this map? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I control 2 of them. Blue has a 20 stack. Steals black's cap. Yes. You asshole. Steals my cap too. Okay. Okay. That's going to be a terrible move for blue. One thing I always tell you to keep in mind, don't fight 2 wars at once. Just don't do it. It won't work out the way you think it will. Because blue's going to get hit by black. He's also going to get hit by me. I will say I'm enjoying how high scoring this game is. Everyone is punching the shit out of each other. Oh, black's a bot now. Fuck's sakes. Everyone's just bitch out quitting. Total bitch quitting. Okay. I like that magenta's still back here. Gonna cause you trouble. Let me hold my bonus. Magenta punches him from the back, and everyone sees what I see. Who wins the war? Alright, now everyone's gonna fucking shit right in my sandwich. So who hits a 10? It looks like magenta's quitting. I'll be in a 1v1 with blue. Sorry, blue! Oh no! I just clicked on the wrong territory. Blue's gonna hit me because he knows I'm the only one left. Yes, blue, hit me. You hide inside of my bonus. And then you run like a bitch. Okay, I don't actually know where blue's cap is. I think he has another cap. So blue has to hit me as hard as he can. Hits the cap. Pulls back. Locks a cap. I like his game. Okay, magenta's back. Are you fucking kidding me? Those dice are bullshit. Who's going to work on this bonus, which is fine. I'm happy if he takes it. I have a much better position at this point. You just hollow out everything behind the cap. And then you have a 1-point guard on a ton of the board. 26 territories and plus 13. My next hit, I'm going to take Purple's cap because that won't piss anyone off and it will give me an extra 2 troops a turn. It'll give me an exterior defensive position. I don't think it's possible for me to lose this game from this position. Okay, Blue? Are you feeling me? What am I missing? Oh, look at that. There's a lot of capitals in there. Just obliterating all my troops. Why the fuck not? He hits me. Oh, alright. We're at war. I need to hit Magenta, or else Magenta wins. Because I'd love to hit Blue. I'd love to punish the idiocy. There's a cap there too? Jesus Christ. I think Pink and I have already lost. It'll just take a while to finish. Okay, Purple quits. I'm second place. I get second place this game. Sick. GG. So if I just bought, Blue gets the placement. Everyone else is flagged. Red started as a bot. So I just flagged, right? Well, I definitely fucked that game up at some point. Whole hog, baby. Whole hog. Oh, this hog right here. Take the hog. Hey guys, please don't for a second think I don't appreciate the shit out of you. Thank you.